First tonight, the Target 12 investigators have new details in a brewing controversy between the Attorney General and a Superior Court judge.
As we first reported, Peter Noronha was ordered to appear in court by Judge Daniel Procaccini following a series of social media posts by the state's top prosecutor.
Today, the AG responded in a court filing, saying the order violates his First Amendment rights.
Target 12 investigator Tim White is here now with what he's learned, new at 6. Tim?
Mike and Shannon, the extraordinary order by Superior Court Judge Daniel Procaccini came after critical comments Noronha made on the social media platform X earlier this month. Now the AG is asking the judge to change his mind. In a motion filed Thursday in Providence Superior Court, Attorney General Peter Noronha's office has asked Superior Court Judge Daniel Procaccini to rescind an order that the AG appear in court next week. The judge's demand came after a series of posts Noronha made on social media where he was critical of so-called bench trials. Those are when a judge decides a defendant's fate rather than a jury. Judge Procaccini often presides over those kinds of hearings, and Noronha has said jury-waived trials can be unfair to victims of crimes. In the motion, Noronha's office argued the order violates his First Amendment and due process rights, calling the order vague, writing, "It fails to notify the Attorney General of the authority by which the court commands his presence and the nature, scope, and purpose of the scheduled hearing." The motion also argues both social media posts were squarely within the Attorney General's constitutional responsibility to keep the public apprised of matters of public concern. In a footnote, the AG offers data showing just 2 judges in the state preside over the majority of bench trials, but did not name who those judges are. Noronha has said he plans to file legislation that would give the AG's office a say as to whether a defendant gets to have a bench trial over a full jury. Now, that hearing was scheduled for this coming Tuesday, but Procaccini agreed to move it to next Friday because Noronha will be out of town at a National Attorney General's Conference in Washington. With the Target 12 investigators, Tim White, 12 News.